All right, we're in Claremont, Florida on this church behind me, and we just installed all the roof panels. We're fixing to do all the accessories next. This is a roof system that's gonna last for a lifetime. There are no exposed fasteners on this roof. We actually have our own engineering in the machine that actually prints that panel. So we can customize everything here on the job, and we make our own panel here at Eustis. Here's a piece of accessory that's gonna go on the ridge of the roof. All this is custom made. So this is a bin that's gonna hook into what we have, like we call it a Z-bar or a cleat. And then from the outside, this is what you guys see, and it's gonna run across the ridge. So right here, we have a machine that actually creates this so that underneath the roof system, it can breathe. And then here's a butyl tape, a little extra protection when we put this down. None of that you will ever see. And that's why I want to show you those details, because it performs. It's going to let the hot air out of the attic and give you a lifetime roof. Under the roof system, there's what we call a high temp peel and stick. This is the top layer. And then right here, we can pull this back. You pull this back, this sticks to your roof. This goes under the panel. This is what your panel looks like. These are where your screws go, and then the next one snaps over. So there's a lot of ingredients that make this roof last a long time. You don't want to buy a metal roof system and pay the money for it and then neglect these small details that give you that longevity. Again, here is the finished product. We still got to do some ridge cap right here. Beautiful, beautiful job. That valley in the center is all custom made. One of the things to give a shout out to is this is super dangerous. This roof is wet. This is a tough job. So at the end of the day, it comes down to quality installers. That's one of the #1 things. You can have a lot of quality components, but if you don't have talent that installs it, you're gonna have problems.